Welcome to Livsol. Livsol is one of the leading power solutions company providing energy efficient, reliable and cost-effective solar power backup products as per customer needs. We are a professional high-tech company specialized in manufacturing of high-quality lead-acid solar tubular batteries, DSP sine wave inverters, solar inverters, automatic lift backup systems, three-phase inverters, MPPT inverters, and other solar products. We have state-of-art research and development facility with highly qualified and professionals teams with consistent focus on technological innovation. We have established a high-tech manufacturing unit, which is well equipped with latest machinery and technologies available in the market to fabricate product in bulk quantity and assured quality. Livsol introduces new deep cycle solar tall tubular battery, which is designed to withstand long and frequent power cuts. These batteries have 30% more volume per ampere hour than ordinary batteries. Its superior features have made it the most demanded UPS battery.
Our research and development has all the requisite advanced equipment to test the critical parameters of our batteries. We have an inbuilt robust and strong quality system which covers all our products at various stages of development and manufacturing. In terms of quality assurance too, Livsol is accredited with ISO 9001:2015 to boost its reputation for reliability by leaps and bounds. Livsol batteries are manufactured with heat-sealed polypropylene company polymer monoblock casing material. 7.3 mm positive tubular plates are made of highly corrosion-resistant special lead alloy and pasted negative plates with high discharge performance to ensure cycling capabilities and also reduce topping up frequency. Individual cells are fitted with microporous aqua-trap ceramic vent plugs with sealed float, which prevent acid mist coming out from the cells to make it convenient for living room ambience. Livsol deep cycle solar tall tubular batteries are made with high-power selenium technology, which makes it most self-sustainable low-maintenance battery and more durable with low self-discharge current. Our batteries are solar panel compatible, available in C10 and C20. Our batteries are tested rigorously by following highest standards and processes by using technological advanced tools and instruments, so that our esteemed customers can enjoy top-notch performance of our batteries without worrying of blackout. We are widely selling our batteries in India, Lebanon, UAE, Middle East and African countries.